Hi, my name is Oyuki. I work as a flight attendant for many years now, and end of September we hit a severe turbulence on the flight. I was working in the back and I got hurt. I was inside the bathroom. I was banging around the bathroom, holding onto a handle, going up and down, banging sideways. I started OT here at Hands-On Therapy. For my hand, my right hand was really swollen and hurting, and my insurance through the workman's comp, they referred me to Hands-On Therapy, and I could not have been any happier. I really love them. After my first session, I came with a swollen hand, and Juan did the evaluation, and after that we started the treatment with Carol, and they've been wonderful to me. After my first session, the swelling went down, and after that I've been coming 3 times a week, doing all kinds of therapy, working on my shoulders and back, and the staff is wonderful here. They take really good care of you. I couldn't be happier with this place. I love the personal attention, the one-on-one, and the authentic care and genuine care of the therapist. I love how creative they get, and it's not monotonous, and they show me different types of exercises. I have less pain in my hand, and I've also learned a lot of other exercises that I've been doing at home, and that has improved my quality of life.